Congratulations, you're halfway done the course and you've just unlocked an Easter egg. Click the link in the description below this video for a secret surprise. You've just taken part in a perfect example of how to keep students motivated by sparking curiosity. Connecting your course content to your community in fun ways like this gamifies and creates an interactive experience for your students. There's more where that came from. Here are 5 motivational strategies to keep your students engaged. Number 1, create badges. Award badges to the most active members, founding members, or community experts. Badges help differentiate those in your community. They can be very literal, for example, Member of the Month, or you can make them fun and silly like Gift Master. 2, offer referral benefits. Encourage your members to share your course or offerings and give them a really good referral bonus, like 30 to 50%. This will get them hyped to get others to join. 3, repost member content. Highlight contributions from your active members in your newsletter or on social media. This is known as user-generated content, and it's a win-win because your members are getting recognition on your public channels, and you get content from them sharing in the community. 4, give public praise. Continuously call out wins and encourage your members when they share milestones in your community. You could create a Member of the Month post or a weekly roundup post that thanks the top creators in your community that week. 5, reward participation. Acknowledge your top members often and create a points or a ranking system to reward those that actively participate in your community. People need to see progress to feel motivated, and when you have 1 or more ways that your members can progress through your community, you'll keep them coming back for more.